Whether you're a team of 3 or 3,000, designing anything together is easy with Canva for Teams. Design can sometimes feel like it's just for professional designers, right? But now, design is for everyone. Because with Canva for Teams, your team can easily create compelling visual content with or without design experience. Okay, so let's say you have a big presentation coming up. In the past, you've probably had to start from scratch. With Canva, you'll start inspired with thousands of stunning templates to choose from. Pick one that catches your eye, then start customizing fonts and colors in a few clicks. And with over 100 million assets in the content library, you can find graphics, images, videos, audio, charts, and more. Then simply drag and drop to add. You can even convert your existing files into Canva for editing. And if you need to remove a background, you can, in just one click. Inviting teammates is easy too. Comment in real time, assign tasks, and supercharge your collaboration. Ready to present? You have options. Share a view-only link and track engagement with viewer insights. Or present live in Canva. Even control the pace and the confetti from your phone. Create social content that stays on brand with BrandKit. Upload your brand fonts, colors, and logos. And for design consistency, you can even lock key elements in place. Then share as a brand template so your team can design on-brand social posts fast. Speaking of speed, your team can resize a social post for multiple platforms in a few clicks with Magic Resize. Post it now or schedule for later with Content Planner. Pick a date, time, and social platform. Write a caption, and Canva will post it for you. And then check how it's performing with the Social Media Insights tool. With Canva for Teams, it's super easy to make videos too. Simply start with a pre-made template. Choose some footage from the huge Canva library and just drag and drop. Trim clips, add some music, get the team involved. Then hit play. And you can keep your videos, social posts, presentations, and more organized in project folders. And with 1 terabyte of secure storage for each teammate, there's room for everything. With Canva for Teams, your team can create impactful visual content without the learning curve. Design anything together in real time from anywhere on any device. Try Canva for Teams at canva.com.